This handsome ranch boasts an open floor plan spanning 2,400 square feet, with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, and is highlighted by arched doorways and a cathedral ceiling. Right away, you'll feel welcome with the spacious covered front porch that leads you past the formal dining room and on to the large great room. As you work your way into the kitchen, you'll find stunning dark espresso staggered cabinets and stainless steel appliances, a spacious walk-in pantry, a great breakfast bar, plus an eating area. The master suite will not disappoint with a large ensuite bath, plus the second and third bedroom features a full Jack and Jill bathroom with double sinks. The laundry room is huge with plenty of storage with beautiful built-in cabinets. This home comes complete with a high-efficiency furnace, 50-gallon water heater, and even a refrigerator in the 3-car garage, and a bonus to the covered front porch, an even larger covered back patio. Imagine yourself living here. Give Patty Suter a call and set up your showing today.